Your mind doesn't care if you succeed. It doesn't care if you're happy. Your mind has one job: to keep you comfortable, even if that comfort slowly ruins your life. Most people think fear holds them back, but that's not true. Comfort does. And the scary part? Your brain will fight to protect it. Your brain wasn't designed for success. It was designed for survival. Thousands of years ago, comfort meant safety, familiar places, predictable routines, no unnecessary risks. Back then, leaving the comfort zone could get you killed. But today, leaving your comfort zone might change your life. Your brain doesn't know that. This is how your mind tricks you. Staying in a job you hate because it's stable. Avoiding hard conversations to keep the peace. Delaying your goals because now isn't the right time. Your brain labels discomfort as danger, not because it is dangerous, but because it's unfamiliar. So it whispers things like, "Don't risk it. What if you fail? At least you're safe here." Ever notice this? You know exactly what you should do, but you don't do it. Not because you're lazy, not because you're incapable, but because growth feels uncomfortable and comfort feels familiar, even when that comfort feels empty. Here's the truth most people never realize. Your comfort zone isn't comfortable because it's good. It's comfortable because it's familiar. And your brain will choose familiar pain over unfamiliar growth every single time, unless you intervene. You don't defeat comfort by motivation. You defeat it by awareness. Try this. Notice resistance. If something feels uncomfortable but aligned with your goals, pay attention. Stop asking, "Is this safe?" Stop asking, "Will this help me grow?" Make discomfort small but consistent. Tiny daily discomfort beats massive regret later. Your brain learns through repetition, not logic. Your mind loves comfort. That's not a flaw, but if you let it lead your life, it will keep you exactly where you are. Growth feels uncomfortable. Regret lasts longer. And the moment you choose growth over comfort, your life quietly starts to change. If this made you reflect, subscribe, because understanding your mind is the first step to taking control of it.